Now at 11, two wildfires burning in Miami-Dade tonight, one of them growing and shutting down part of Krome Avenue. You can see the massive plume of smoke across the road blocking visibility. Good evening, I'm Lauren Pastrana. CBS News Miami's Abby Dodge is your reporter live in Southwest Miami-Dade. Abby, what does it look like along Krome tonight?
Well, the road here at 8th Street and Krome Avenue is shut down to the south, closed in both directions. You can't really see the flames from where we're standing right now, but earlier today there was a picture-perfect view from the skies.
A haze seen for miles and flames inching closer to the roadway. Two fires causing Krome to shut down from 8th to 88th Street and a traffic backup for blocks. When I got here on my way home, kind of in a hurry, and I get here and find the road is closed because of the fire.
It's been forest fires here lately all over. So
at just 25 acres, the trail fire is 80% contained. And to the south, the 188-acre radio tower fire sits at 50% containment. Drivers hoping to make their way to attractions along Krome had to make other plans. Sasha was on her way to a garden when the fire canceled her trip. She pulled over to find smoke covering the road and crews planning an attack.
Of course it's scary. I don't know what's going on with the nature.
MDFR says for now, the fires are not a threat to residential or commercial areas. Drivers are hoping for some rainy days ahead.
we'll have to see how things work out this summer and get us to the cruise.
And I want you guys to take a look at what you're seeing right now. These are equipment being hauled away by the Florida Forestry Service. They are on their way out from this fire. We will continue to monitor it over the weekend and let you know when eventually this closure is lifted. Live from Southwest Miami-Dade, Abby Dodge, CBS News, Miami.